are looking awfully pale, Ubuyashiki. I must say, at least I'm not a pop singer from the late 1800s or whatever decade you're from. Old ass. Well, maybe you should just sit down and cough up some more blood. Alright then, brother. I'm here to destroy your entire bloodline. As you must, then do it. Alright then. You see, we're related. I forgot to tell you this before, but it's for the plot, so you must know now. I was born at a very young age, and nobody would understand that I would soon become a leader of the Demon Slayer Corps to put an end to your disease. So you see, so that's why I had to destroy you here and now. See, you're a disease of change, and I can't have that because I'm immune to disease. That's why I've been alive for 1,000 years. And with that, the 1926 season comes to an end. Thank you.
What the heck?
What the hell? Billie Jean is over.
Insect breathing.
Who are we fighting again?
It's Musan!
Yeah, dummy.
You simp!
Shut up.
Focus on the demon!
Ba-da-da-da-da, he's killing it.
It's close to midnight, Tanjiro, and something's evil lurking in the dark.
Bum 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 bum.
No!
But bro, I did all this for you. I even ate demons. What the hell did you just say? Oh my god. Demons? Ah! How the hell did he do that? Oh my god! Kachan! Ah! He stopped my damn punch. That asshole. Ow! Oh my god! Tanjiro, no! Behind you! No! He has nothing to do with this! I just want to beat somebody up! Ah!